My God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen I for My Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. What do we got here today is high frequency trading. Well, right before us, it doesn't look too good, doesn't look too healthy. The account is down by $166,620. Now, the reason being, if we have a look at the open trades, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 open trades. Most of them has been off the mark, but the last one I just put in, it's starting to come back. Now, of course, we got to be following some sort of chart or some sort of indication where it all comes from. And I'm using gold as our asset, and that's the reason why it's so down. Now, according to this, it's coming back up. So I'm going to put a lot more bets in, or a lot more open trades at 60 lots per trade. Now, according to this, it's coming back up pretty well. So I'm just going to put some more bets in it. And this is how easy it is. We've got 60 lots there. Bring it up and buy one more open position. Because by the look of things, looking at the chart, it's going to be making a fair bit of money for us. Now, I'm going to show you something where our, there we got the the latest open trade, $600 off the chart, and it will be on the money pretty soon according to the chart. As I was saying, I was going to show you something. Even though we're off the money, 162,000, have a look at the balance. We're up $2.39 million. That's the beauty of the system. Now on the right here in the blue, you'll see that these are all my historical trades. These are profits. And if we have a look here, we can count how many profits: 54,000, 38,000, 18,000, 4,000, 58,000, $400, 12,000, 13,000, 3,000, and this point 15.6 was a mistake, but we made money anyway. And of course, $360. Now, these are results of this process. Why am I showing you this? Simple. Here is a strategy. Oh, all of a sudden it came against us. Okay. Oh, we're down by $219,000. Now, don't be scared. This is the beauty of understanding how the market works. That explains why. Now we're going to search why. Okay, it's correcting itself, perhaps. No problem. Nothing to be worried about. All we need to do is simple. Open up another trade. Hold on, I just want to make sure we're going to go in the right direction so that we're not going to get thumped by this little bit of correction. It looks promising for a buy position. Very, very promising. If I get it wrong, then we get it wrong. Okay, I'm going to open up another trade. Going up to catch all that money as the market recovers. Yep, that's how easy it is to activate a open trade on this particular platform. Now I'm going to check all my trades. Okay, there's one there. We're off the position, $222,000 or $23,000, but because we got 2 million to support it, that's where the key is. That's why you also notice I was only opening trades at 60 lots. Nothing. There we go. 60 lots, nothing over 60. 60 seems to be a good number for me, so I'm using 60 lots regardless. And just keep adding trades as the market, as you saw there just a moment ago, the market just fell like crazy. But of course, if it's going to continue in that sort of direction, we're going to have to counter it with some other trades. So it looks like, oh, okay, so I'm going to counter this one with a sell position. Okay, there we go. We got one sell position, and the rest have been buy position. As you can see, we're out of the money by $227,000. It's nothing to worry about. This is the game of professionalism, that you understand how the market works. In the market, regardless if it goes against you, it doesn't matter. Do not panic, but make your trade count. Now, you'll notice, let's count all my open position, not counting the sell position, the buy position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 open position, and I hope that this asset, gold, will keep growing. But of course, we've just seen a little bit of a downtrend, and the market dropped quite a bit, but we're gaining it a little bit now through this open trade for the market to go down. Now, nothing to be afraid of, as I said. It's just how the market is, and you just got to learn how to counter and offset some of these open trades that's come against us, which is costing us $262,000 off the mark. But I'm going to continue to make these videos as I grow, but just giving you now this video to show you sort of worst case scenarios. Worst case scenarios, it's nothing to worry about. That's just how the market is. Now, I'm going to take some of these small profits, collect them now, and continue to trade. And that's how I can make my money. Because I know if the market's coming against me, it's not the end of the world. What I've got to do is keep taking these small profits, and it does add up. Amazingly, it does add up. Okay. I'm going to go up on that one. But because I can only do this because of the balance. As you saw, I got 2 million there to support it. So it's nothing to really worry about, as long as you know your game plan and you know your strategy. Okay, now, if we have a look there, that's a 15-minute chart. It's giving us some sort of indication. Oh, come on, settle down. That it is going to recover. So I'm going to take my bets now as a recovery bets, or open positions anyway, in that sort of reflection. Okay, now remember that sell position I sold a moment ago? Well, luckily we do it, because the markets, it seems like it corrected, bottomed out, and it looks like it's recovering. With this last trade here, that's started to recover $1,500. And this is the beauty. I don't really want to turn the video off, but I have to turn the video off too, because otherwise it gets too long. Now, 30-minute chart gives us this indication, which suggests, okay, it only suggests it could be on the rebound. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Okay, and our open orders. There we go. It's starting to show a bit of recovery. It's not much, but like I said, there's 2 million in there to support it. We're out of the money by $270,000, and we still got 192 million. Sorry, 1.9 million in there. If anything goes wrong, there's plenty of money to support it before we can get back into recovery mode. And recovering 272,000, it's easy. You will see it. But I will make the videos to capture these moments to show you. But anyway, this is Stephen Arthur from Mindful Fortune, trading perfectly, trading with a lot of money. Stay away from scams. We love you. God loves you. See you on my next video. Bye for now.